Welcome to Module 9, Lesson 3. You're going to go to page 217. In this lesson, we're going to tell and write time to the nearest 5 minutes in 3 different ways. We're going to add on another way now. So let's look at this clock. The clock shows the time Ayla eats breakfast. Write the time in different ways. So let's look. Write the time digitally. The hour hand points between the 7 and 8, and the minute hand points to 6. I know if the minute hand points to 6, that means it's halfway to the next hour, or 30 minutes. If the hour hand is between 7 and 8, that means it's on its way to being 8 o'clock, but it isn't 8 yet. It's 7. So the time shown on the clock is 7:30. Now we're going to write this using words. Remember, we can say half past for 30 minutes. So it's half past 7. Another way of saying half past is 30 minutes after 7. So there's our 3 ways. We can show it on an analog clock, on a digital clock, or using words. Let's look at the next problem now. The clock shows the time the park opens. Write the time in different ways. Go ahead and write the time. Our minute hand is pointing to 3, and our hour hand is just past 8 on its way to 9. Go ahead and write your 2 times. When the minute hand is pointing to 3, that means it's 15 minutes. Our hour hand is pointing just past 8. That's because it's 8 on its way to 9 o'clock. But it's still closer to 8. So our time is 8:15. Remember, when I break up my clock like that, it's a quarter past. So in words, I can say, this is a quarter past 8, or 15 minutes after 8. Great, let's look at check understanding. For these 2 problems, you're going to write the time digitally. Then you'll write the number of minutes past the hour, or either half past or quarter past. Then you'll put the number of minutes after the hour. Go ahead and solve. If you need any more time, pause the video. Here our minute hand is pointing to 3. That's equal to 15 minutes. Our hour hand is pointing between 10 and 11, which means it's 10 on its way to being 11. 15 minutes is a quarter past 10, which is the same as saying 15 minutes after 10. Here I see the minute hand is pointing to 6. That tells me it's at 30-minute mark. The hour hand is directly between 5 and 6. That means it's halfway from 5 to 6. So it's 5:30. 30 minutes is equal to half. So you can say 5:30 or 30 minutes after 5.